Is perfectionism holding up you uploading content that's sitting in your phone, photos, videos, that could really help share your creativity, that could really help spread the word about your business? Perfectionism is a word I hear a lot with my coaching calls and talking to beauty professionals all over the world, really anybody in creativity or art or anybody that's sharing online. I just want to share maybe a different way to look at perfectionism. Think about this analogy. Imagine I'm at your house and you're making dinner and you want to make it perfect. And I understand. I totally understand. I mean, no greater line than Erykah Badu when she said,
"Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit."
We're sensitive, we're artists, and we're creative. So you want to make sure that the meal is perfect, but you keep tasting the meal. You keep eating the food. You're making sure that it's to your taste, the way you like salt, the way you like pepper. I'm sitting waiting for the meal, but you're tasting it over and over and over again. Like I'm sitting there and I'm like, let me taste it. I might like it salty. I might like it with a little bit more spice with pepper. And you're like, no. I'm holding on to it. And I'm laughing because as creators, man, we are creative to a fault. We want to make things exact and perfect, but the perfection meter is your taste buds. It's how you see it, what is important to you. And I'm just using that analogy because we all go through it, guys, especially if we do a profession like the beauty industry where it's all about being exact. We're trying to make styles look as perfect as possible. And then this new thing about 15 or 20 years ago comes out, content creating, and now we take the same approach, when in actuality, it has to be different in the kitchen. The better analogy is we've got to cook the food and we got to let as many people taste it as possible. We got to let our taste buds be the last one to measure it. So many different people out there. People see differently, they hear differently, things catch their eye much different than us. And in particular, when it comes to our clients and customers and people that want to consume our content, oftentimes they're not looking with the same perfectionist eyes. They like you. They like your style. They like your voice. They like what you share about, clothes you wear, your dog. They like a whole lot more about you and are less judgy on how perfect the content is. So perfectionist is really, hey, taste this. Oh, okay. You need some more salt? Okay, let me put a little bit more salt in there. You taste it. Oh, it needs a little bit more Italian seasoning? Oh, give it back. Can you try it? And all three of you try it? It wasn't warm enough. No problem. Let me get back. Okay, now everybody try it. I've listened to you all. I've let the feedback determine how to make the meal better or how to make the content better. Guys, just share. Share and realize that perfection is something that's an unreachable goal. What we want to do is connect with people. Right now, I'm cleaning my car. I filmed a little bit when I walked out my house. I filmed another little bit when I parked my car. And now I'm filming another little bit when I'm washing my vehicle. This isn't perfect. Perfection, I think we're looking at it wrong. I think perfection is the opposite. It's not just measuring by me, but let as many people look at it as possible so you can know how good it is already or how good you gotta make it.